Quick question. When your MS project schedule says on track, do you trust it or do you hope? If you see these three signs, your file is a PowerPoint in disguise. No control, just colors. Sign 1. Your tasks are start 12 February, finish 18 February because you typed date. This means the schedule can't react to reality. One slip happens and nothing recalculates. Sign 2. Tasks look arranged, but they are not linked. No finish to start dependencies, no logic chain, so you can't see what truly drives the deadline. Sign 3. There are no baselines, so you can answer the only question your CEO cares about. Are you ahead or you're behind? Comparing to what we promised. In Africa's operation, surprises are expensive. Vendor, FX swings, approvals, power, permits. If your plans can't update, you can't control. Here's the MS project setup hack. Turn your file into a control room. Set project start date and your calendar file. Don't schedule on weekends by accident. Switch key tasks to auto schedule. Stop hand typing dates. Build from deliverables. Use summary tasks like work streams, then task underneath. Add real links. Finish to start for most work. Use the lag only when necessary. Create a saved view called next 14 days. Filter tasks where start is less or equals to today 14 and percent complete lesser than 100%. Then set baseline once leadership agrees. Then show variance column. Baseline, finish, finish, slip. There was a team I worked with one time and they stopped fighting in weekly meetings because the next 14 days view exposed blockers early. Procurement delays showed up before the go live date got embarrassed. What's your biggest MS project pain? Dependencies, baselines, or resource overload? Drop one word in the comment. Stop managing dates. Manage logic. Think training? Think Jake Michaels. Think training impact? Think Jake Michaels. See you in class.